Hi everyone, this is Harley from SeaMac. In this video, I will introduce
the WD615 Steyr series marine engine. SINOTRUK Hangzhou Engine Co. Limited was established in 1958 and is a leading manufacturer of commercial vehicle engines in China, leveraging the dual technology platforms of Steyr and MAN. The company provides highly reliable and efficient engine products to customers worldwide.
the SINOTRUK-Steyr WD615 Marine Engine series features an inline six-cylinder,
4-stroke, water-cooled, direct injection, dry-sleeve diesel engine. The engine has a displacement of 9.7 meters. Its overall dimensions are 1,940 mm by 830 mm by 1,170 mm, and its weight is up to 1,080 kg. This series features a turbocharged and intercooler intake system,
with power outputs range from 91 kW to 257 kW.
and races speeds from 1,500 rpm to 2,100 rpm. Equipped with the PS 8500 mechanical inline high-pressure fuel pump and Delphi low-inertia fuel injectors, it achieves a minimum fuel consumption of 202 grams per kWh, which is more than 10% lower than comparable domestic products.
The WD615 series is based on authentic technology from Steyr, Australia,
dating back to 1984, and has been extensively optimized and upgraded for long-term performance by SINOTRUK. The WD615 series can be used as main propulsion engines or auxiliary power generators for ships. It is suitable for a wide range of vessel types, including yachts, cargo ships, fishing vessels, workboats, and passenger ships.
equipped with turbocharging and intercooling technology.
It delivers robust low-speed torque, ensuring ample power and reliability for marine operations.
The standard WD615 series of marine engines
Comes with the following accessories:
fuel filter, starter motor, tie well, oil filter, control panel,
As a sub-brand of SeaMac Group, SeaMac specializes in providing comprehensive propulsion and power system solutions for all types of vessels, from high-performance engines and precision gearboxes to robust shafting, propellers, and propulsion systems, and from reliable main generator sets to safe. SeaMac covers the full range of core components. We consistently deliver professional, efficient, and cost-effective customized solutions that precisely meet the unique requirements of diverse vessels.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SeaMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.seamac.com.